guys, today I'm going to be doing another slime review. So first I'm going to show you the slime I purchased from Glitterati Slimes. I just want to say that all of her slimes are literally gorgeous, super creative, and she puts a lot of time and effort into each and every one of her slimes. I decided to get this one because I have never had a bingsu bead slime. I'm not sure that's how you say it, but this is Autumn Afternoon and it smells like pumpkin apple and crisp leaves. Like I mentioned earlier, this is my first time playing with a bingsu bead slime. I really love the texture because it's crunchy and it feels really nice on my hands, except it's not as rough and abrasive as a sugar scrub. Next up is the Bomb Slime. So I ordered cotton candy Oreos from her. I think this is so cute and creative, and it came with these three little clay Oreos. I really like this idea, and I love the Oreo trend. Like, it's adorable and super fun. And she also included a free 2-ounce slime. It's really cute, and it smells like cotton candy / candy corn. And it's a very soft cloud cream. Kind of want to call it cloud cream. Yeah, it's definitely a cloud cream, but I can definitely tell that there is some clay in here. I don't know, but I really like this free little slime, so thank you so much. I love it. I was playing with it a lot yesterday, but I will show it. She included a free little 2-ounce slime. This is a cloud cream, and it feels like there's a little bit of clay. It smells like candy corn or cotton candy, I'm not really sure. But it's very soft. There are some sprinkles in here, like that's a sprinkle. And I love it. It's very like fall-y and like Halloweenish. I don't know. It's really cute. And it's really soft and creamy. Next is candy corn Oreos from the Bomb Slime, and I am obsessed with this one. So I love all of her thick and butter slime textures, so I knew getting a DIY clay slime from her shop was a must for me. It smells just like candy corn Oreos, and it also has the softest, creamiest butter texture after mixing in the adorable little clay Oreos, and I am obsessed with this slime. I got 2 slimes from Slime by Macy. This first one I will be reviewing from Slime by Macy is called Creepy Cake. I love this thick school glue texture. It's super soft but clicky, thick, and stretchy. And I love the little add-ins. It also came with a little spider charm, but I forgot to include that in this clip. Last but certainly not least is Pumpkin Marshmallow. I absolutely love this butter slime texture because it's super soft and creamy, and it's also super stretchy, thick, and holdable. And I love the pumpkin marshmallow scent because it's really soft and sweet, but it's not too over the top.